Do you like what you see on this channel? Do you want to help us to grow? Then do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any more of the great content we got coming your way. Hey, welcome back to the Gospel Music Training Center. JP here. Once again, thanks for tuning in to another video tutorial. This week we're going to be covering a song entitled All I Need. This song has a lot of nice contemporary chords and voicings. I'm going to be using a Rode patch in the lesson, but if you listen to the song, it kind of has both a Rhodes and a piano sound in it too as well. So I'm going to stick to the Rhodes because I like the sound, and as far as the effect that it has when you play certain chords like ninths and 11ths and minor types of chord voicings, it sounds really good. It has this tremolo effect on it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to be in the key of A flat major. The song actually changes keys a couple times, but the pattern is very redundant. But you're going to be able to see some different variations in ways that you can play certain chords when it comes down to, certain tones of the scale. So pay close attention to what's happening when I say, okay, we're on the 2, or not just the 2, but when I say we're on a certain tone of the scale, whether it be the 1, the 2, the 3, as it pertains to the number system. Pay close attention to what's happening over each tone, whether the chord is major, whether it's minor. These are the things that are important that's going to unlock your understanding when it comes down to different options of things that you could do, not necessarily just memorizing a song, but knowing that you can switch it up and kind of make things your own by having an understanding of what's happening underneath the hood. All right, so let's get started. We're going to be in the key of A flat major to start. Let's look at the number system and scale for A flat. So A flat is the 1. B flat is the 2. C is the 3. D flat is the 4. E flat is the 5. F is the 6. G is the 7. And we're back at the 1. A flat, okay? So that's the number system and scale for the key of A flat major. Like I said, pay close attention to the numbers as it pertains to the chord progressions, and notice what types of chords we're playing on that. So the first chord progression that's going to happen in the song is we're going to go from the 6 to the 7 to the 1. And then we're going to go 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I were to put this in perspective, it'll be like this in rhythm. I'll turn my metronome on. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'll be 6, 7, 1, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the first thing we're going to do. 6, 7, 1, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now another thing that you should pay attention to is the time signature. When it comes down to counting, normally we would count, most songs are counted like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But this particular song is in 6/4. So instead of saying 1, 2, 3, 4, you would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So each time you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's one bar. Hey, welcome back. This is Take Two. JP, Jonathan Powell here. Thanks for tuning in. What we're going to do is pick up from where we left off in take one and close out the rest of the song. And the part that we're going to pick up from is the point where it does this. So it's going from the 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, and it just repeats that. 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6. So what we got is dun, dun, dun. So I'm gonna play it through so you can see what leads up to this point. Okay, here we go. Then it builds up. Then we go 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6. So it transitions coming out of the chorus, okay? So how we get to this next part, we go. All right, so what I'm gonna do is play it from the previous part so you can see how it transitions into this. Here we go. This is from the chorus. Builds up. Then it goes to the next part right here. So after we put up, then it goes 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 to the 7 to the 6. Then it does the same thing. 1, 3, 4 to the 3. So I'll show you a couple different ways that you can voice this. So it does the same chord progression and it changes keys. Then it goes up a half step to the key of A. Okay, so we're gonna go to the key of A flat first. So we got the 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6. So let's cover that. So for starters, there's a couple different ways that you can approach this. Okay, and I'm gonna show you a more simpler way first. So on the 1, we have an A flat major chord, A flat in the left hand, and then E flat, A flat, and C in the right. So what's gonna happen is, oops, sorry. We're gonna go from the 1 to the 3. And on the 3, what we have is an A flat major chord, okay? So we got C in the left hand and then A flat major, but it's an A flat major chord over C. And then that takes us to the 4. So in the 4, what we have is D flat in the left hand and then A flat, C, and F. So this is a D flat major 7 chord, okay? So we got the 1 to the 3 to the 4. And then from there we go to the 3 and to the 2 to the 1. So this is a more simplified approach